Recordings need to be published before they can be shared or played outside of Screencast-O-Matic. To publish a recording immediately after recording, click Done and select Save/Upload. Alternatively, to publish a previously captured recording, select the recording from the Home window. Then, from the Options window, click Save as Video File. If the Options window isn't open, click the timestamp to the bottom right. If Save as Video File isn't an option, click the button to the top right. We don't recommend using the YouTube or Google Drive options as these are prone to errors. Next, configure the publish settings as desired. To set the file format, click Type and select MP4. To rename the published video, click File Name. Enter a descriptive title and press Enter. To set the storage location, click Folder. Select Browse, navigate to a desired location, and click Open. To add captions, click Open Captions. We recommend configuring the captions in YouTube instead. To set the quality, click Quality and select Higher, Larger File. When done, click Publish. The publishing process will begin. Be aware that the longer the recording, the longer the publishing process will take. When the process is complete, the published video will be available in the selected storage location and can be shared, such as through YouTube and Google Drive. More information about Screencast-O-Matic can be found in our other videos, as well as the PLU knowledge base.